Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Florianópolis. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions at your own pace for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome, let's roll. This tour is best. It only have a day. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. Traffic bridge opened in 1982 to link the island of Santa Catarina to the mainland. Move on to dunes of Joaquina. Next to Joaquina Beach. A popular spot for local surfers, this picturesque area offers a white sand beach and food vendors. Then on to Mole Beach. Long sand beach and popular surfing spot with scenic headlands at either end and casual bars. Move on to Praia dos Ingleses. Large, bustling beach with nearby amenities like hotels and restaurants, plus waves for surfing. The most popular travel time in Florianópolis is January. The temperature ranges from 29 to 22 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Festas Juninas is in June. Fennostra is in October. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events, and helpful links to plan your trip. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.